This question comes from Peter. If every human on Earth aimed a laser pointer at the moon at the same time, could we change its color? Short answer, not with normal laser pointers. First problem, not everyone on Earth can even see the moon at the same time. Most of the world's population lives between 0 and 120 east longitude, so the best moment to attempt this would be when the moon is hanging over the Arabian Sea at night. We would choose a quarter moon so we could compare what happens on both the bright and dark sides. A typical laser pointer produces about 5 milliwatts of power, even assuming perfect aim and ideal conditions. The combined energy from billions of these lasers would be completely overwhelmed by sunlight. The sun delivers over 1,000 watts per square meter to the moon. All of humanity's laser pointers together would be hundreds of millions of times weaker. Result? Nothing noticeable happens. Let's increase the power. Now imagine we upgrade everyone to a 1-watt laser, extremely dangerous devices capable of burning skin and starting fires. If we somehow equipped every person on Earth with one, the moon would receive about half a lux of extra brightness. That's still insignificant compared to the sun's 130,000 lux. The moon looks the same, so we push further. Replace each laser with a powerful searchlight like the ones used by rescue helicopters. Focus their beams toward the moon. Now we begin to see faint changes on the dark side of the moon, but the bright side remains completely unchanged. Next, upgrade again. Everyone now controls an IMAX-level projection system or a mega spotlight, like the one on the Luxor Hotel in Las Vegas. Now the effect becomes visible. The dark side of the moon glows noticeably. Success? Barely. Now things get serious. We return to lasers, but on an entirely different scale. Imagine each person receives a mega laser similar to the experimental airborne laser once mounted on a Boeing 747. At T's level, we finally match the brightness of sunlight on the moon, while consuming twice the total electricity used by the entire world. Still not satisfied. Cover all of Asia with megawatt lasers. For about 2 minutes, the moon would shine like the midday sun. By the end of those 2 minutes, the lunar surface would begin glowing from extreme heat. The extreme scenario. Now, for the impossible version, give everyone one of the most powerful lasers ever built. The type used in nuclear fusion experiments. If those beams could somehow pass through the atmosphere without destroying Earth instantly, the moon's surface would begin vaporizing. The top layer of lunar rock would transform into superhot plasma, which would blast outward at enormous speeds. This effect, known as laser ablation, would literally turn the moon into a rocket engine. Over a few months, the moon would be pushed out of Earth's orbit, escape our gravity, and enter an unstable path around the sun. Eventually it would be flung into space, crash into another planet, or possibly return and collide with Earth. At that point, we would absolutely deserve the outcome.